Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Chatacter.ai. So without further ado, let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, just type in Chatacter.ai and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website of Chatacter.ai. Now in order to sign up, just click on the sign up button at the top right corner. You will then be taken into the sign up page. Now you can either enter your email address and password to continue signing in, or sign up with your Google, Facebook, Discord or Apple account for a shortcut. Proceed with either option and then you will be asked to choose your username. Just go ahead and type in your desired username and then click on the I understand button. Now click on Join Character. You will now be taken into the home page of Chatacter.ai and you have been signed up. Now you can start creating by clicking on the Create button and start creating your character. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Chatacter.ai. How to log in to your account on Chatacter.ai. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser and then in the address bar, just type in Chatacter.ai and press enter. This will then take you into the official website of Chatacter.ai. Now from the home page, in order to log in to your existing account, just click on the login button at the top right corner. You will now be taken into your login page. Just type in your email address, followed by your password, and then click on the continue button to log into your account. In case you forgot your password, just click on the forgot password button and you will be allowed to reset your password. In case you created your account using your Google account or your Facebook, Discord or Apple account, you can just click on continue with Google or the other options to log into your account directly. And now you will be logged into your account on Chatacter.ai. And there you have it, how to create a new room on Chatacter.ai. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then type in Chatacter.ai in the address bar and press enter. This will then take you into the official website of Chatacter.ai, where you will need to log in if you haven't done so already. Once you're logged in to your account, you will be taken into this homepage. In order to create a new room, just click on the Create button at the left side. Then click on Create a Room. Now just go ahead and type in the name of your room and then add your characters. Just click on the drop-down menu and you can select from various public characters as well as your own private character. After adding all of your characters, now just select your room topic, which is entirely optional. After entering all of these details, click on the Create button and then this will start the creation of your room. How to create a new character on Chatacter.ai. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, just type in Chatacter.ai and press enter. This will now take you into the official website of Chatacter.ai. If you're not logged into your account already, just click on the login button at the top right corner and then log into your account using your login credentials. After logging in, you will end up in this homepage. Now in order to create a new character, just click on the Create button at the left side and then click on Create a Character. Now just go ahead and enter the name of your character. You can then set your desired greeting. You can enable image generation for this character by clicking on Enable Image Generation for this character. Then choose the visibility of your character. Finally, choose the avatar for your character by either creating an image using AI prompts, or you can also choose your own image by clicking on Choose File. From there, you can select your image and it will be set as your avatar. Finally, you can click on Edit Details to enter Advanced Mode. Or you can just click on Create in Chat to create your character and start chatting with it. How to save your chats on Chatacter.ai. So let's get started right away. We're going to want to open up our web browser and type in Chatacter.ai in the address bar and press enter. Now, after logging into our account, we will end up on this home screen.
Now, if you already have a character of your own and you have some conversations already, it will be shown on the home screen. Now, since we don't have any, let's go ahead and set up our character by clicking on Create button, and let's just create a new character. I'm just going to go ahead and call it Car1, and let's just leave it at that, and toggle on image generation. Now I'm simply going to click on Create in Chat, and this will create my character and I can start chatting with it. Now we have a few conversations with our character, and this is our chat menu. Now click on the three dots at the top right corner, and you can now click on Save Chat and Start New Chat. So click on this, and this will now save your chat with this character. Now, once your chat has been saved, in order to access it, you simply need to click on the three dots once again and click on View Saved Chats. And as you can see, the previous conversation has been saved and I can access it easily. How to edit your character on Chatacter.ai. So let's get started right away, and we're going to want to open up our web browser. Just go ahead and type in Chatacter.ai in the address bar and press enter, and this will take you into the official website for Chatacter.ai. Just go ahead and click on the login button if you see it on the top right corner and log into your account, and this is the screen that you will end up on. In order to edit your character, just go into your chats menu and you will find the conversation that you had with your character. Just go into the conversation by clicking on it and click on the three dots at the top right corner. From here, you can click on View Character Settings. Now, this is the character editor menu. From here, you can change everything that you want about the character. You can go ahead and update the name if you want, and you can also change the picture that you have set for your character. You can change the greeting that your character does. Everything that you want to edit with your character can be done from this menu, so go all out, make all of the changes that you want, and also set up the visibility from this page. If you set it as unlisted, then only someone with a link can access your character, and if you want everyone to access it, just select public. After making all of your changes, you can simply click on the Save button, and this will save all of your desired changes to your character. And well, that's just it. That's how you can edit your character on Chatacter.ai. How to join a room on Chatacter.ai. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser and then type in Chatacter.ai in the address bar and press enter. You will then be taken to the official website of Chatacter.ai. Just log into your account if you see the login button at the top right corner, and you will be taken to your dashboard. Now, this is what the dashboard will look like. Now, from the home page, in order to join a room, just go ahead and tap on the Create button. Now just click on Create a Room, and you will be able to create your room. Now just go ahead and type in your desired name for the room, and then you can add your desired characters. Just click on the drop down menu, and then you can select from the list of various characters that are available throughout Chatacter.ai, and most of these are public characters that have been created from users just like ourselves. Now you can go ahead and just add a topic into your room if you like, and if you don't, then you can just leave it as it is, and you can now simply click on Create It, and this will now create your room. Now this room has all of the members that you have selected, so you can just go ahead and enjoy their conversation, or you can be a part of it as well by talking with them. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to join a room on Chatacter.ai. How to italicize your text on Chatacter.ai. So let's get started right away. First of all, you're going to want to open up your web browser, so just go ahead and open it up, and then in the address bar type in Chatacter.ai and press enter. You will then be taken to the official website of Chatacter.ai. You may have to wait for about 1 minute because of the heavy traffic, So make sure you wait for a while, and then you will be able to find the login button at the top right corner if you haven't logged into your account already. So just go ahead and log into your account, and once you are logged into your account, you will be taken to this home page. Now, once you're in your home page, you will be able to see all of your previous chats under the continue chatting menu. So you can just go ahead and resume any conversation by just clicking on it, and you will be taken to the conversation that you previously had. So just go ahead and type in your messages to talk to your character. That's relatively easy. But in order to italicize your text, all you need to do is add an asterisk at the beginning and the end of the text. So let's go ahead and type in our message, preceded and then followed by an asterisk, and then type in the enter button, and let's see what happens. Now, as you can see, the text that I just typed in has appeared in italic. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to make your text italic on Chatacter.ai. How to follow someone on Chatacter.ai. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser, and then in the address bar, just go ahead and type in Chatacter.ai and press enter, and this will take you into the official website. Now, if you see the login button at the top right corner, that means you're not logged in, so just click on it and log into your account, and you will end up on this home page. Now, in order to follow someone on Chatacter.ai, you will need to look for them through the characters that they have created. So right at the home page, you will be able to find various characters. You can just click on any character that you want, and you will be able to talk to them. Once you're in the chat menu, you can simply look for its creator, which is shown as created by. Now you can click on the name of the user, and then you will be taken to the user's page. Now you can simply click on the follow button, and then you will follow the person that you just selected.
How to log out from your account on Chatacter.ai. So let's get started right away. Just open up your web browser, and then in the address bar, type in Chatacter.ai and press enter. If you're logged into your account already, you will be taken into your home page, which looks like this. So in order to log out from your account, just click on the account icon at the top right corner. This will take you into your profile page. Click on the edit button at the top right corner once again, and then scroll down and click on log out. You will now be logged out from your account, but you will still end up in the Chatacter.ai homepage. In order to log back into your account, you can simply click on the login button at the top right corner. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on Chatacter.ai.
How to delete a room that you have created on Chatacter.ai. So let's get started right away. We're going to want to open up our web browser first. Now type in Chatacter.ai in the address bar and press enter. If you see the login button at the top right corner, that means you're not logged into your account already, so just go ahead and log into your account. After you log into your account, this is what the home screen will look like. You can now go into the chats menu by clicking on chats. Now in this page, you will see all of your chats with your character on the continue chatting page, and underneath you can see the rooms section. In here, just click on edit button, and now you can just click on the close button alongside the room that you have created. So this is the room that I have created in a video that we did previously on this channel. Let me just click on the close button at the left side, and now you can see that there are no rooms left. How to delete your characters on Chatacter.ai. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser, and then type in Chatacter.ai in the address bar and press enter. This will now take you into the official website of Chatacter.ai. If you haven't logged into your account already, you will see a login button at the top right corner, and you can log into your account from there. After you log into your account, you will be taken into this home screen. Now, if you already have a character, you can see your conversations with your character on the chats menu. So let's go ahead and click on it, and you can see my character, which is called Mark. I can just go ahead and click on Mark to go back into our chat conversation. From here, I can click on the three dots at the top right corner and click on View Character Settings. In this page, I can make any changes to the character that I want. Now, I'm going to want to scroll all the way down, and here you can see the visibility option. So as of now, you don't have any option to delete the character that you have already created, but you can set them as private and then save your settings so that no one else can access your character. So maybe in the future we will have an option to delete your character altogether, but for now this is the best option that we have. So just go ahead and set it as private and then click on the save button, and we're good to go. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your character for now on Chatacter.ai. How to create a group chat on Chatacter.ai. So let's get started right away. First of all, go ahead and open up your web browser, and then in the address bar, just go ahead and type in Chatacter.ai and press enter, and you will be taken into the Chatacter.ai website. If you see the login button at the top right corner, that means you're not logged into your account. So just go ahead and log into your account, and you will end up on this homepage. Now, once you're on the homepage, in order to create a group chat, just go ahead and click on the create button and then click on create a room. Now just go ahead and enter the name for your group chat, and then you can add various characters into your group chat. Just go ahead and select from the various characters that are available from the drop down menu and add them into your room as you like. Now you can provide a topic for your room as well if you like, and if you don't, then you can leave it as it is. Finally, click on the created button, and this will now create your group chat. Now all of the members will automatically begin conversating, and you can join in on the conversation or just enjoy on what they're talking about. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to create a group on Chatacter.ai. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.